Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sheep. It's going to be a lot of work with white. It's going to be white and black, so it's going to be interesting to do. I've decided to make this because I think they're cute and I've never made one before. So here we go. Okay, so this is what I'm going to start with today. So I've got Fimo Professional and this is obviously white. And I'm using something different today. This is super sculpty and this is a flesh colour. So I'm going to be using that for the face. I have used this before and it's quite soft. It's nice to work with. But to be honest, I don't make many things in this colour. So I've got quite a bit of it. So that's what I'm going to use for the faces. And then I've got some mica powders and glitters, as I always do. Yes, I am going to put glitter on my sheep. Sorry about that, but that's what I do. Okay, so I've got some mica powders here. These are from the Colour Shack. This is jet black, this is pearl white, and this is an unbranded one that's like a little goldy colour. And then I've got some Dovecraft, and that's the ultra fine glitter. And then I've got some sparkly glitter that's got the holographic look as well. And lastly, I've got some, this is a bit more chunky glitter, and this is in a black. And then I've got my blusher set, so I'm going to do the little cheeks of the sheep in blusher, so I think that looks really sweet. These are the tools I'm going to be using. There's not many today because the majority will be just rolling things, rolling balls and stuff like that. So I've got my dotting tool, the paintbrush for the mica powders, craft knife, and another bigger dotting tool. I like this one because it's got a flat end to it, and if I was going to make some blunt marks, this is really handy for that. So this is what I'm working with. Here we go. Okay, so I've rolled out some lengths of clay. I'm not sure what size I'm going to go for, so I've done several different ones just in case. I think I'm going to go for the bigger one because I want the swells for the sheep, as you'll see in a minute, to be nice and big. So literally with this, I'm just going to point it slightly and then twirl it round, and to get a nice big curl. And then I'm going to cut it at an angle and soften the edge. And I'm going to make several of these for the sheep. Okay, so I'm going to start with this sort of size. Doesn't have to be white, it could be any colour because you're going to cover it up. So I'm just going to make some swirls, and these are going to go all around the ball that we've got here and cover it up completely. I had a lot of fun with that, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. It wasn't so bad working with white. I thought it would be a lot worse, but it wasn't. So I had a lot of fun. So as you know now, I made two, so I'm just going to show them to you now. So here's the flat one, and if I keep them here you'll be able to see them, but if I do too close you won't be able to see them. So put some sparky little balls in there because I think they look really nice. They might fall out, but I'm going to get some glue in there in a little while and make sure they stay in. So he's got a sweet look. He's obviously got mica powder and glitter on him, and a little bit on his feet to give him that shimmer. So here's the flat one, so here's the magnet, and here is the other one. So just for sizing, he's in my palm like that. So he was a little harder to make because the Fimo white is quite soft, so I did squish him at the back a little bit, as you can see, but you know, he's a sheep, so it looks quite cute regardless, I think. So this is how you make sheep from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, see you again soon. So there you go, and this, hang on. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I didn't, think thin thoughts.